This app is changing everything for business owners. Imagine one app that gives you every single AI tool that you need for your business. From writing tools to video tools to website tools to business tools, this single all-in-one app allows you to leverage AI in every single aspect of your business for one monthly subscription. And the best part is you can get access to all these tools for absolutely free just by referring 3 people to the software. It's called the AI Genius Club, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a demo of the software and showing you how the AI Genius Club can radically reduce the cost of running your online business, automating and improving many of the vital tasks that you do on a daily basis. So this is a look into the AI Genius Club, and like I said, there's writing tools, there's video tools, there's business tools, there's website tools, and I'm going to be giving you a brief overview of some of these tools here. Now they're constantly improving and adding new tools, and that's exactly what this platform is designed to be. An all-in-one platform that provides you every single AI tool that you could possibly need in one location under one subscription. And like I said, you can get this absolutely for free just by referring 3 other people into the software. And not only is it free, you will actually earn affiliate commissions on those paid memberships as well. And one of the things I love about the AI Genius Club is they provide multiple free trainings throughout the week, so you can ask questions and you never feel stuck or overwhelmed about leveraging all these advanced AI tools. And that's one of the first things I want to highlight is the community feature in the AI Genius Club that allows you to talk, interface, post, and ask questions to our community of AI Genius members. I'm next going to highlight one of the writing tools in the AI Genius Club called the Business Promo Genius. And what it allows you to do is to enter in your business website or any website on the internet, and it will automatically generate unique AI images with the captions that you can use on your social media. We also have another app within the AI Genius Club called the Video Genius tool. The Video Genius tool allows you to take any website on the internet, select your theme, and generate videos on demand, complete with captions, animations, and voiceovers. And if you want to customize them more, you can go into advanced settings and select the language, photo style, voice, music, caption style, the fonts, the colors, the number of slides, whether it's in portrait or landscape mode, the caption placement, and how you want the different slides to be animated. Some videos do cost credits, but you can see I can generate a video that's 1 minute and 40 seconds long for just 50 credits. We also have a Movie Genius editor that allows you to edit videos in any way you want, replacing many expensive video editing softwares. Now I'm going to highlight some of the imaging tools in the AI Genius Club, like the Image Genius model that allows you to train an AI based upon your face and likeness, then generate an unlimited amount of images that look just like you in a variety of settings. This replaces the need for a professional photographer and allows me to generate high quality images of myself for my social media, my marketing, and my YouTube thumbnails. Now there is a one-time fee of $6 to train the model, but once you pay that one-time fee, you can generate an unlimited amount of images of yourself. We also have a variety of other imaging apps that allow you to create hero images and hyper-realistic images like these. Now I'm moving on to our business tools. Within the AI Genius Club, you get a full CRM. Now most CRMs cost you close to $100 per month, but you get a full CRM along with all these other tools for free just by referring it to 3 other people. There's also a Genius Vault that gives you 5 terabytes of storage, an invoice generator that allows you to generate invoices with your branding and logo that's integrated directly into the CRM. We also have a sticky notes app that allows you to save notes, passwords, and anything else you need to keep track of, as well as a task manager. We also have website tools that allow you to train your own chatbots and a fast funnel generator that allows you to create unlimited amounts of AI websites and funnels that rank highly through traditional and AI-based search engines. So that is a brief overview of the AI Genius Club. If you're interested in getting started, click join now and you will get instant access into the AI Genius Club. Then simply refer 3 other people into the AI Genius Club. You will then get your membership for free, and you will actually be earning commissions each month they maintain a paid membership. I love this platform. It allows me to operate my entire business for $0 a month, and I actually get paid to leverage some of the most advanced AI tools for my business. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the AI Genius Club.